What's up guys? Today we've got a really cool project we're doing with a brand new Remus exhaust system for this Ford Raptor. So this is the 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost that everyone has been picking up left and right and making it into a desert romping machine. This one, as you can see, it's loaded with tons of off-road goodies. It's got addictive desert designed bumpers, front mount intercooler, Baja designed lights, KC lights up top. This thing is no pavement queen. You can see it has been hammered in the desert. So this is now going to get totally set up to sound awesome. So we're gonna dive into the box here and see what we got. All right, it is Raptor Christmas time. We're gonna open the box, check out this new Remus system, see what's included. So we just got the shipment here. Let's pop it open. This is what's gonna make the Remus set itself apart from every single exhaust system. This huge triple tip side exit, beautiful Remus logos on these ovalized tips. This will sit out of the side of the truck nicely. Got our hardware box, so clamps, fitting instructions, all that stuff. It's a direct bolt-on, pretty basic. And finally, the center muffler section. So this will bolt right up to the factory downpipes to complete the system. So should be a real easy install. Again, this is just the catback, so we'll remove the entire rear section, save a ton of weight off the truck as well. So let's get to it. You can see we got the stock exhaust removed. So there's the end of the downpipes, all of the muffler section going all the way back here, including the rear exhaust tips are now all removed. So we've gone from this large full catback system that probably weighs, I don't know, 70-80 pounds, and now we're just going to be running this new Remus with the triple tips and the single muffler from the downpipe. And once we get that on, we'll be able to fire it up and hear how it starts. The exhaust is finally installed. It's actually not that bad of an install. We're going to fire it up here to hear what it sounds like, but first I wanted to show you some of the just installation of it so you can see how it's done. So you can see here we've got the triple tip here. We basically have removed the whole entire back half. We have new brackets that we use, one being right here where it goes into the fender. They reuse existing spots. The other one here is they run it from the frame, which you can see right there, with a new nut and bracket that goes in place. So everything else just bolts up to the factory existing downpipe section. So you can see here we've got the donut clamp, and on this side is just a standard clamp. So there's the new Remus muffler, very short and sweet, and then the exit here going out to the triple tips out the side. Alright guys, you can hear exhaust is on, sounding good. Now we're going to take it out so we can hear what it sounds like on the open road.